Okay guys, I know I haven't posted any videos in like 2 weeks, so today we're doing a double. So when you know, so I'm gonna see we back in this
in the same clothes
in a
yeah
video
mm-hmm.
because our clothes
yeah
we never
borrow it
yeah. So I know like say see me in another video in it, and then Sonny Avan
yeah.
in our next video for you say she borrow classic clothes a while ago. Our clothes.
Right.
So
we're going to make a video right now, guys. So you know, so
we're not gonna post it the same day. We'll probably post one today, one tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah, that body's a blessing, girl. I ain't trying to pressure her, but she messed with the temperature. Heart wrote the song, but I am the messenger. Through the metropolis, there is no stopping this. Flowers and kisses, yeah. I heard you like chocolate. Light up the candles, tune up this channel. It's the ride of your.
Hey guys, we're back.
Yes.
But this time we're back with food. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And tell a friend, turn on post notification bell so you get notified every time I upload another crazy video. So today guys, it's a burger eating challenge. Today the winner gets $15,000.
Murders. Alright.
So open your phone.
Oh, we're gonna set the timer,
we got
guys.
some burger, but we're just gonna go one because our building not that big. We got about a couple 6 burgers. So here we still have 3.
I want to drink the juice right now,
including the one we're gonna eat. So my son said we'll forget the next one because we're gonna eat this fast. We're not gonna really savor the taste, like enjoy the way. So we'll forget one when we relax we eat. So we're gonna set the timer, the lights on, for 5 minutes. And let's see who's the most belliers.
She gonna be the most belliers, guys.
Let the biggest belliers win.
She gonna be the belliers, guys.
So you want to start opening it, so
alright,
before we set the timer.
We can do that. I have to make sure it's up because my phone easy for lock.
So we have to eat off the sandwich. Oh my days, I don't think
so we have to drink off the juice also.
Drink off the juice also, and we got soda because the soda got kind of harder for drink off, right? And we're not really greedy like that still, you know. So, but somebody has to win. Yeah. So we got soda because you know the soda you can drink it down the one time. Right. So it's gonna be challenging.
Hey, must stress out, you know, people.
So it's true me want $15,000 if we go buy something.
She go win, guys. You know why she go win? One reason why she go win.
Why?
Because my wore my tongue.
Oh,
so I go feel awkward, guys.
Yes. So 5 minutes on the clock. On your mark. Get your set.
Girl, people don't ever hear the word nerminous. I mean that.
We mean nervous, guys. With all the English characters and all of that. We mean nervous, but we're just a bit extra, okay? So ready? Oh God, we're not even getting to this. 5 minutes, as we said on the clock.
Girl,
so
come.
And go. Wait. My finger.
So 5 minutes was it if we finish eating?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
So if we eat up the most in 5 minutes if we not complete it yet. So you ready?
Alright.
Go. Mm-hmm. You want to go 1.5? It's just 4 minutes.
Can't take them and eat now. Is it hungry man?
Guys, I'm done. Winner.
One reason why you win, girl.
We only had 1 minute remaining and 28 seconds. So I won. Yes, I won. Woo! I said take long for you one sandwich.
The amount of time I bite my tongue.
So I'm finished. I'm finito. Senorita, senor.
She'll have more.
Huh? Poor thing. Hush. Better luck next time.
No, but I have one reason why you win, Classy. One reason.
You want to eat one more?
One reason, no, girl. The amount of time I bite my tongue just now.
You want one snaps?
The amount of time I bite my tongue just now.
People!
One of the time I think I must swallow one of the ball them. I swear to God.
Oh shit.
I swear to God.
Okay guys, so that's it for the video.
You think we should add something more in the video? Because it's something there. Murder over here, so guys.
It's finished. The time is just up and I won. Okay, so
Sorry, guys.
anything else you want to say, loser?
I'm going to say it again. One reason why I should win, guys, and because my tongue bored. That's the only reason why I should win. Guys, I want to go down, scroll down below. In all the videos, I want to see the ramens. When them teeth me and pepper my food, I still win, guys. So, a little burger, I would win, but because of my tongue, guys.
Okay, so leave in the comment section on which other videos you would like to see, and let us
Guys,
know.
I'm gonna know so na see Sunny now. I know a problem on the channel line, man.
So remember to
Alright.
follow my Instagram page, classy__Tashin_mom. I'm gonna put it somewhere here, and go and follow.
Nisha_Couture_. That's my business page, and you can follow my personal page at Nisha_HappyLife12.
And my business page at Classy Dolls Closet. What is it going? Classy_Dolls Closet. I don't remember, but it will be somewhere.
It will be
here.
right.
Okay, so Classy Dolls Closet for all your cute, affordable pieces.
That video kind of buzzy, though.
It's short, but you know.
It buzzy a little bit. Don't
It
it?
Later, guys.